What's up, everybody in AV marketing? Are you ready to reach a new audience of decision makers and influencers? Then you need to join us for Launch Week 10 coming this October.
During Launch Week 10, you have the opportunity to showcase your brand and your leaders as industry experts across a wide variety of panels. We're going to cover everything from enhanced learning environments with AV over IP to upgrading DIY installs in the residential market to the use of AI and ProAV and more.
This is your chance to amplify your brand to all segments of the industry. Our audience will include integrators, end users, consultants, content creators, and everyone in between. You won't just get to know them as thought leaders, though. You'll be able to interact with launch members and rAVe Pubs readers live in our networking chat.
In addition to positioning your team as experts, you'll be able to show off your world class products, whether it's through a new product demo, a banner ad, or even our interactive polling with audience members.
Did you know our team makes it super easy for you? We provide turnkey event production services to make your life as a marketer so much easier. rAVe even provides you with marketing assets to promote your involvement, so all you really have to do is click send.
We hope to see you at Launch Week 10, October 21st through 24th. Ready to engage with our team? Reach out to Kirsten Sharp or Josh Gangway at partnerships@therAVEagency.com.